Hey students, so the time has come wherein we have to say goodbye to the academic year of 2019 to 2020. So the journey which we had was an amazing, beautiful journey, which I can tell you. And I'm pretty sure even you would be saying the same. Be it the first day wherein we all were a little bit shy to interact with each other, and boom, by the mid end of the year we were so good and we were so much gelled up with each other, be it with your own friends or be it with me. And I'm just so happy to find you people, because you people are really so amazing with such an awesome personality. Throughout the year, from each one of you, I could learn so many good things. And I'm so happy that you people are so open minded and you have learned and picked up each learning so quick and did it so beautiful.
मेरे प्यारे कक्षा 5 के छात्रों, समर वेकेशंस आ रहे हैं। इस बार हम कहीं नहीं जा सकेंगे, घर पे ही रहना है लॉकडाउन के कारण। तो इस बार हम लोग कुछ अलग क्यों ना करें, घर पे रहकर बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं। अपने माता पिता से खूब सारी चीज़ें सीखिएगा। अगर आपके दादा दादी नाना नानी पास है तो उनसे खूब सारी कहानियाँ सुनिएगा और आकर हमें ज़रूर बताइएगा। हम आपका इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं। घर पे रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए।
Hello children, me and ICT Lab is missing you all a lot. Learn to manage your time, as time is really precious. Stay away from gadgets and spend some quality time with your family. Wish we will be back soon together. Loads of love.
హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఎలా ఉన్నారు? హాలిడేస్ బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నారా? వర్క్స్ అన్ని బాగా చేస్తున్నారా? ఇంట్లో మమ్మీకి డాడీకి అన్నిటికీ హెల్ప్ చేస్తూ స్టే హోమ్, స్టే సేఫ్ అండ్ టేక్ హెల్దీ ఫుడ్. మంచి ఆహారం తీసుకోండి. మనం చాలా మిస్ అవుతున్నాం. ఈ సంవత్సరం చాలా విషయాలు నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా, బట్ సమ్మర్లో చాలా మిస్ అవుతున్నాం. వి మిస్ ఆల్ ద ఫన్, వి మిస్ ఆల్ ద జాయ్, వి మిస్ యూ. డోంట్ మిస్, విల్ బి బ్యాక్.
Hello children, hope you are all doing good. Amazing time for past 1 year dancing with you. Been missing you for some time and will be missing you for 1 more month. Enjoy your summer holidays. Stay home, stay safe. At the same time, stay fit. Do some dance and some fitness fun.
Hello everyone, my name is Kiran Mai and I'm your mathematics teacher. Children, as you all know that our holidays are going to begin from 1st of May, and we are expecting that you will be able to finish up your holiday task on time. At the same time, stay safe at home, explore new things, and start working on some exercises, as well as start working on your spellings and handwriting skills as well. So children, take care and stay safe at home. Bye.
Hello everyone, this is Asif Anas, Sports and Activity Coordinator from Silver Oaks International School. Hello to our little and precious icons. Have a safe vacation. Don't forget to take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe, and enjoy your vacation. We all miss you a lot. See you all soon. Take care. Bye.
Hello kids, how are you? Happy holidays. Always try to learn new things so that your life will be beautiful. What I suggest you in these holidays, don't waste the time. Try to learn something through reading the books. Your time, try to help your parents. Happy holidays. Stay home, stay safe.
Hi children, hope you all are doing good. It is glad that we successfully completed our academic year. It is time for your vacation. As we are in lockdown to fight COVID-19, stay home. Goodbye for this academic year. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye. Jai Hind.
Hi children, I hope all of you stay safe in your home and happy holidays. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.
Hello my dear sweethearts. Thank you for coming into my life. I really had an incredible journey with you. You created a place for yourself in my little heart. I can't believe it is all over. I will miss all your stories, jokes, hugs, smiles, willingness to learn, thoughtful questions, kindness, drawings, and many more. I know your future will be so bright, and I look forward to hearing about your academic excellence. May you do amazing things in your life and come out with flying colors on your move to the next stage of your life. Have fun in life. Stay healthy in mind and body with the disciplined lifestyles. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. All the best, and I really miss you, dear. Yours, Meenakshi ma'am.
Happy holidays. Stay home, save life. Enjoy the holidays. Thank you.
Hi kids, how are you? I hope that you're safe at home. Have a wonderful holidays. You know that around us what we are having, because we have to stay at home and be safe. Happy vacations, and do some activities in the early morning or in the evening. Bye. Happy holidays.
At the beginning of the year, I couldn't possibly have known these things just by looking at your photo or you. Now, it's hard to imagine a time I don't know such important details about your life. This year, it has been an absolutely pleasure having you as a part of every day, and my great pleasure to have been a part of yours. At the end of our time together, as we have shared and the memories we have made, I'm reluctant for you to leave. But leave you must, for to ask you to stay would be a stifle the potential that bursts within you. So instead, I ask you a favor. Wherever you go and whatever you do, please remember that I'll always be grateful for having taught you, and you will always be important to me. Thank you for sharing your life and this year with me. You are special, and you're very, very special to me. Yours, Anuma.